Today, we are trekking to beautiful Six Sigma Ranch in Lake County, which is about 2 hours away from San Francisco. I've been coming here for years, and I am meeting with my dear friend Kai. He and his family own this working ranch, and he's going to show me around before meeting with some friends who've traveled up from the Bay Area. The 4,300 acres of Six Sigma Ranch was settled in the mid-1800s and has numerous hiking trails, and its stunning vineyards stretch as far as the eye can see.
This is the first vineyard we planted in 2001. It's called Elsa's Valley Vineyard because it is in Aspet Valley. I named it after my wife, Elsa. It's 100% Cabernet. And then we gradually over the last couple of years we have built a fantastic trail system.
And how does it feel for you to see all of this? When you bought the property, none of this was here. I mean, you rebuilt all of this for your family. So how does that make you feel now?
That's my problem. I'm thinking about what to do next.
That's great. In the fall of 2023, Six Sigma launched with Huttopia's resort. For years, you could bring your trailer and camp here, and now Huttopia takes you into the world of glamping. You get to check in, and then you're greeted by their thoughtful team. And this is glamping at its finest. Their signature wood and canvas tents have all the luxuries you find at home, like actual power, comfortable beds, private restrooms, and showers, and you have your own kitchen. Here you can sit under the stars, and the magical experience you will have is like no other. The thing is there's so many things they can do all day, right? They can swim, they can play games.
They can swim, they can play games, they can do a tour, hiking, biking.
Wine tasting.
It's just this escape into nature, right? You get away from everything.
Everything. And it's a good compromise between parents and kids as well, because everyone finds, their happiness. They can go wine tasting while the kids look at the animals.
You have taken glamping to another level, but it's just so beautiful. And it's just perfect. Everything you need, as you were saying.
Yes.
Everything you need. Six Sigma Ranch is well known for its hiking and biking trails, and there's so much to see here. What's it like being out here in Six Sigma Ranch, the hiking?
Well, I spend a lot of time out here with friends and the high school team that I coach. They do races out here, and we just come out here to relax too.
Yeah, it's pretty spectacular, huh?
Yeah, it's a special place, and Kai has always made us feel very welcome.
Yeah. Six Sigma's mountain biking scene is incredible. They host annual mountain biking competitions for thousands of people. One of the best things about the ranch are the people you get to spend time with. So you built that structure?
Yeah, so Kai wanted that to be a main part of the ranch, and so we sourced all the lumber locally. It's all come from Diamond Mine, and we put it together, and it's been a fun project. So.
And the woodpecker, wherever that woodpecker is, he's getting busy.
Right there at the peak of the house.
Making holes.
Yeah.
Oh, let's get the shot of the woodpecker. I'm just city folk, we don't see wood. Have you ever seen a woodpecker?
No, this is the first time. I just don't try that.
You guys actually touched us as you.
That's like, oh, honey. It's a messy one. The best spot.
My favorite spot is out here. This allows me to do a lot of things that are good for the soul.
That part right there, that's...
We'd love to have you both.